Right now, you need to know that you were born to be your best. You have what it takes. Be your best. You were born with a purpose. Be your best. You don't make excuses. You are driven to be your best. You are passionate. You are fearless. Be your best. Being your best means you will be more today. You will do more today, and you will become more today. Today, I will be my best. Nothing will stop me. I will work to be my best. I am not limited. My mindset is strong. I choose to become better every day and to be my best. I take the opportunities of life to better myself so that I can be better today than I was yesterday and be my best. I accept the challenges today, the challenges to be my best. I will be my best in my body. I will be my best in my mind. I will find ways to be better today than I was yesterday. I will not accept failure. I will not be moved by what others say I can't do and be. You don't know me. You don't know who I am. You don't know what I've been through. You don't know the calling I have on my life. You don't know my greatness. You don't know I was born with a price. They don't know that I will not stop. They don't know that my heart is hungry. They don't know my fight. They must not know I was born to be my best. I am not mediocre. I am not average. I was bought with a price. I was born with a purpose. I am becoming a better version of me today. I will become stronger and accomplish more every day. Today I will choose to be my best. I am willing. I am able. I am ready. Today is my day to be my best. Be your best.